The relocated and restored temple and stupa of Nalanda are situated on an artificial island in the Bowatenna reservoir. The island can be reached via a causeway from a visitor's car park, which is at a dead-end road in 1.5 kilometers distance from the Kandy-Dambulla-Jaffna main road A9. 25 kilometers south of Dambulla and 50 kilometers north of Kandy are Nalanda Gedige in the Matale District. The distance is 155 kilometers from Colombo. Nalanda Gedige is situated 95 kilometers from the west coast and 105 kilometers from the east coast of Sri Lanka. Nalanda is really in the centroid of the continent, making it the center of its gravitation. If the island were to be cut out of a map due to the curvature of the east coast.It is believed that this could be a reason why this site has been a place of worship for eons. Nalanda Gedige is an ancient complete stone temple near Matale, Sri Lanka, and its original site is considered the geographical center of Sri Lanka. The building was constructed between the 8th and 10th centuries with Dravidian architecture and is believed to have been used by Buddhists. A pillar inscription of the 9-10th century AD that was unearthed from the site revealed Nalanda Gedige was a Buddhist monastery. Recorded in the Sinhala language, it includes a code of regulations made for the temple. Nalanda Gedige is designed on the lines of a Hindu temple with a mandapa, an entrance hall, a short passage to a bare cello, and an ambulatory round the holy center. A limited number of the original Hindu deity statuettes exist within the temple. However, a statue of the god Kabura appears on the south side of the tympanum over the sanctuary, a feature that can only be seen in Sri Lanka. The richly decorated facade sections, laboriously reassembled in 1975, are predominantly in the South Indian style. Although they cannot be precisely dated, they are believed to have originated sometime between the 8th to 11th centuries. However, nothing transpired until much later, in the 1980s, when the shrine was threatened with inundation by the waters of the newly created Bowatenna tank. The opportunity was taken to dismantle the ruin and rebuild it on the bund of the tank, high above the waters. It stands now reconstructed beside the tank and is approached by a flower-edged causeway with a magnificent backdrop of tree-clad hills. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.